Welcome to this tutorial. How to convert PDF to Word. Open your PDF file in Acrobat DC. Go to the File menu. From the menu list, go to Export to and then select Microsoft Word. Here you have two options to convert a file into Word. We are clicking on the first option. Choose your location to save the file and then click on the Save button. See, Acrobat is converting your file into Word. Once PDF file will be converted, then it will open in the MS Word. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.